Good morning. Good morning. I'm home, bored, and not fully bored, but just here thinking what to do. So I said, okay, let me bake a spice bun. Just a regular spice bun, Jamaica spice bun. But first I should say, welcome to Nettie's amazing house. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me hear from you. Yes, I'm in my Christmas pajama, PJ. When it's winter, I mostly wear PJ in the house. So, nothing is fully put together. I'm here putting together this bun, this recipe. All my stuff is kind of all over this place, but we'll get it done, right? I'm not using this, I'm using that. So now that I've taken care of the dry ingredients, time for my wet ingredients. I'm just gonna melt some butter. Two tablespoons butter. And this is fully melted. I have 1 cup of malt. Tiger malt. Let me show you. Usually I use dragon stout, but today I have no dragon stout. That's what I have, so I'm using that malt. And half a cup of red wine. This is sweet red wine, like Red Label wine, whatever sweet wine you have. So now I'll add my malt. 1 cup malt, half a cup of wine, have 1 egg, quickly mix this egg. We don't want this egg to be scrambled. We can now go ahead and turn the fire off. Half a cup of sugar, brown sugar. Two teaspoons vanilla. About a tablespoon browning. Make it as dark as you want. And a half a tablespoon guava jam. And now I'll add my dry ingredients, fully sieved. I'll add half. let me fold it in. I want to make sure that I mix out all the flour. We don't want, when we're cutting our bun, we see flour lumps that didn't mix out properly. Half a cup raisin. If it need more, I'll add more. This raisin is pre-soaked in my handy dandy red wine. I always have my raisins soaked. Always. I don't like to put dry raisin in my ingredients. No. This is the baking pan I'll be using today. Now I'm gonna grease my baking pan. So now this bun will bake at 325 for about 45 to 50 minutes. So this is about a tablespoon of butter and about 2 teaspoons guava jam. I'll melt this, mix it together, combine it properly, and then I'll brush it with my bun after the bun is out the oven. Okay, so this is my topping for my bun. My bun is ready. Just got out the oven. Let me let you see. Yeah, I just had a little split, but lo and behold, it's gonna be delicious. So now I'm gonna brush my bun with my butter and my guava jam. Quick and easy bun recipe. Here it is.